Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Instagram and going straight to your inbox. This is where messages live. Once the app is open, tap the paper plane or messenger icon at the top right to reveal direct messages. If Instagram asks for notification or contact permissions, grant them to make searching and message alerts easier. Make sure you're on the correct account. Tap your profile and confirm your username if you manage multiple accounts. Then return to the inbox to begin locating the messages you need. Once in the inbox, use the search bar to type a username, keyword, or group name. Instagram surfaces matching conversations instantly. Make sure to check the different tabs, primary, general, and requests, because messages can be automatically sorted by Instagram. You can also look for unread badges or use pinned conversations to keep important chats at the top. If you still can't find a conversation, inspect message requests for messages from people you don't follow and review any archive. Open the conversation to read messages, reply, forward content, or delete items. Long press messages for quick actions. Once done, if you suspect a chat was archived, go to your profile, tap Menu, choose Archive, and switch to Conversations to restore it. If messages don't appear, make sure the app is updated. Clear the app cache or storage and try logging out and back in. If problems persist, reinstall Instagram. This usually resolves sync glitches and missing messages quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.